clattering of frames, the only sound in their heat. First light they dark, they're all they did gie. They life yond, as far as they could see. Breathing the dust and suffering that heat. Luxuries no for them, just for the elite. Work to just live, they'd always be poor. Comrades forever they were, sisters of the Stour. Sound of the bummer, they work as they talked, heavy reek hanging in the air as they walked. They school for the Bairns, they work for the men. When mill fever attacked them, they didn't ken. Breathing the dust and suffering that heat. Luxuries no for them, just for the elite. Work to just live, they'd always be poor. Comrades forever they were, sisters of the Stour. Coal on the fire to rekindle the flame, the warmth of love in a place that is home. Singing their songs, we friends say brought, they tunes they take them far, far away. Breathing the dust and suffering that heat. Luxuries no for them, just for the elite. Work to just live, they'd always be poor. Comrades forever they were, sisters of the Stour.